Primary role of a broker is we're an extension of the importer. We help the importer process whatever they need to get processed through customs. We generally have knowledge and experience dealing with different commodities. They'll provide a lot of information you wouldn't be able to get on your own because we're dealing with whatever experiences we have with all of our importers. Generally, I'll get a call. The first thing I'll ask the importer is, okay, what are you bringing in? Where is it coming from? So I can get an idea of what's expected as far as clearing it. And then I can guide them through the process of what needs to be done.
So our customs broker has been in the business for a long time and is probably one of the most established ones. So having that reputation, I believe, helps because there was one shipment we had where it got stuck in customs. So I made a phone call to them and next thing I know, in 30 minutes it was cleared.
Meeting with clients is important so we can give the information that the importer needs in order to make sure that they can clear their shipments with all the requirements that are needed.
We have a few importers located in the zone, and whenever they have issues that needs an answer right away, they'll just stop by and ask us their concerns, and we'll try to reply to them. And if we can't get the answer to them right away, we'll reply with an email back to them so they will get their answer as soon as possible.
Anytime an importer is even thinking about bringing something in, they should contact a broker first.